my name is Terry Swears, and I'm a member of the Millennium Software Support Team. Today, I'm going to show you how to configure Atrex so that you can send email directly from within Atrex. We'll start by bringing up the company information settings from the main menu, and then selecting the Email tab. The email setup allows you to specify the company settings for how email is sent from Atrex, as well as the return email address and the name on the outgoing email. Please note that the values you enter here may or may not be what the recipient of the email sees, as different email clients and services may override what you enter here. The default setting for Atrex is to send email via your default MAPI email client. If you use an email application such as Outlook or EM client, you can have Atrex place the email directly in the outbox of your email application, and then you can send the email when you do a regular send-receive. Besides being easy to configure, one of the benefits of using MAPI is that you have a copy of all of the emails that you send out of Atrex in your email client. The other option is to send your email directly to an SMTP server. You would use this option if you were having problems sending through MAPI, don't want to use a MAPI client, or you are using a browser-based email service such as Gmail. You will need to obtain the server information along with the account name and password from whoever manages your company email server. If your server requires TLS, you may need to try each of the settings to determine which one is correct for your server. After entering the server settings, click on the Test Connection button to verify that the values you entered are correct. The most common mistake when setting up SMTP is entering in either a wrong account name or password, which will get you a 535 error when you test the connection. If you see this, make sure that the account name and password are correct and test the connection again. Once the connection information is verified, you can optionally send a test email. We'll skip this for now. If needed, the server configuration information for a number of email services is available by pressing F1 from this window. Gmail is currently the most widely used email service provider, so let's take a look at how to set up Atrex to use a Gmail account, as there are some additional steps required to use Gmail from a program such as Atrex. Enter the server information for Gmail along with your Gmail account and password, then click the Test Connection button. Google requires applications such as Atrex to use application-specific passwords. In addition to providing improved security, application passwords don't change when the Gmail password is changed. If you receive an error similar to this one, you will need to update your Gmail account for two-factor authentication and generate a password specifically for use with Atrex. Let's walk through the required Gmail account changes. In the browser of your choice, log into the Gmail account that you want to send email through. Click on the photo, name, or letter icon in the upper right-hand corner of your Gmail inbox. Then select Manage your Google account. Click on the security link on the left side panel and then scroll down to the section titled Signing into Google. If two-step verification is not enabled, click on the right arrow to begin the two-step verification setup. Once two-step verification is enabled, return to the account security page and click on the App Passwords link. When the App Passwords page is displayed, click on the Select App drop-down and select Other. Type in Atrex and then click the Generate button. Copy the generated password in yellow to the clipboard. Once the password is generated and copied into the clipboard, paste the new password into the email setup in Atrex, and then click the Test Connection button. Now that we have a successful connection, let's send a test email to make sure that everything works. If needed, you can replace lost app-specific passwords or generate additional passwords as needed from your Google account. In addition to the global company email settings, you can configure user-specific email settings for each user in Atrex via the Email tab on the User Information window. And that concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching.